guys, James from TFBTV, Showtime. We're here at TriggerCon in Kansas, of all places.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, I'm with Jason, PWS. You guys have something new. You've made waves with the name BDE, which stands for?
Bravo Delta Echo.
No, hold on. I'm not sure you know. Hold on. Bravo Delta Echo.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the BDE?
The BDE is our brand.
I've been told I have it, but I don't have one.
Well, if you don't have one, or if you think you might get one, get one. This is a 3D printed titanium suppressor. Right now we have a 762 5/8 by 24 configuration.
Now 76239. Dude, that's awesome. Like, that's really effing cool.
So again, it'll shoot anything from 300 Win Mag all the way down. Okay, it's a configurable modular suppressor, 3D printed. Okay, so this is all done in house with a very sophisticated machine that gets this one of the most competitive sound rated suppressors in the market today.
Talk to me about my mounting options here. Like, if I get the BDE, which again, you know, I have the BDE, just not this one. What are my mounting options?
Anything direct thread for the 5/8 by 24 direct thread, and any modular mount to that will go right up to the BDE. The can is completely modular, so you can take the wrenches that come with the suppressor, spin it right off, and put your mount into it.
So if it's hub mount compatible.
That's correct.
Now, what am I looking at here with these? I see you've got like additional baffles here at the end. You've got like maybe a main tube right here, and then you've got kind of like your front cap section here. I mean, did I get that right? Is that this
absolutely.
how it comes?
Absolutely. So this is how it comes as you were to order it or get it from your favorite suppressor manufacturer shop. You know, so once you get this, you've got the main portion of your entry is your serialized. So if anything should happen, it's completely serviceable. You know, there's no paperwork involved. We can get you a new baffle sent out. If something should happen on one of your baffles or even your end cap, we can get you a new end cap. So even your main body here is all 3D printed, and that's not the serialized portion of it.
Right.
It's all your entrance chamber.
But if I wanted to, I guess theoretically, I wouldn't get great suppression, but I could put one of the like end caps just right here on the serialized portion.
I would put your end cap right here to the main baffle.
Yeah, sure.
But then you'd still have completely hearing safe.
Right.
Suppressed fire.
Right. 100% titanium?
100%.
Are there any barrel length restrictions or caliber restrictions?
You want to make sure, so if you're shooting 7-inch barrels up to about 10.5-inch barrels and 223 with a 30 cal, you will see erosion after several thousand rounds. That's just the nature of any. That's the nature of any suppressor.
I mean, let's be honest. I mean, I don't know if you guys make any or not, but I mean, I kind of think sub 10-inch barrel 5.56s are kind of dumb, anyways. You know, but I know people like shooting them. You know, it's fun and everything, but you lose a lot of the ballistic performance of the 5.56. So for me, that's not a big deal. But if I'm running like an 11.5-inch or 12.5-inch and up, I'm good to go with the titanium.
Absolutely, absolutely. And again, they shine in all of our platforms. Right now, we're showing it on a couple different offerings. A caliber specific 300 blackout. This one's our fabled 7-inch 300 or 762 by 39 Diablo in Mod 2. So people have been rocking this thing all day. That's why I don't want to touch this yet. It's still pretty warm, but it's a great offering. Coming in at $10.99 on MSRP. You'll find it at MAP pricing, much less than that. And Rainier Arms is running a sale for TriggerCon and TriggerCon only.
Oh, cool. Okay, and good. We're going to run this video soon, so people might be able to catch that. And the sale could still be going on. It's going to come, if I buy it, $10.99. It's going to come just like this, and I can configure just like as I see fit. Full auto rated?
Full auto rated. We run SOCOM tables as we should there in-house. We get these things cherry hot and make sure that they hold up to the strenuous uses of what we put these things through. So again, fully configurable, titanium. What else do you want? I mean, you don't want a big old heavy can on the front of a short gun like this.
No, I agree.
You want your center mass where it's supposed to be.
Very nice, Jason. I really appreciate you walking us through. Guys, we're going to take this behind the firing line. Stay tuned, bringing you more from TriggerCon.